pumpkin cutlet or pumpkin kebab you can make using pumpkin, which is an amazing immune boosting vegetable. It is great for eyesight and healthy growth of children. Let me tell you how to make it. I have chopped it, I have removed the seeds, and then I have de-skinned pumpkin. I have grated it and removed the water by squeezing it out. And to oil, I am adding grated pumpkin and cooking it for 15 minutes until soft. Then I have taken it in a plate, cooled it down, added a mashed potato, chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and little rice flour, and give it any shape of your liking or your children's liking. And let me tell you, my children loved it. The dabba came back empty. My daughter asked for it again at the night, and my mom loved it too. And I had it for my dinner along with curd and little onion. And yes, this is an amazing snack. You can skip pakoda and bhajis and try it any raining day. It is an amazing dish. And yes, please do comment. Your comments matter a lot. It keeps me motivated. I'll see you soon.